Okay, we got the Fanttik E1 Max. Now this is a pen screwdriver, I call it. Let's see what's in the box and go from there. All right, you got charger. Now it's USB-C. Okay, so we've got that. And take that off, and then we're going to look at this and see. All right, pressing area. All right, we're going to push that. All right, now what pops out is an actual little screwdriver. Okay, now on the bottom you've got low and high, so L and H, and right now I'm on lock, so we're going to put that maybe on low and see how it goes. All right, see that turn? Pretty hard to see that turn. There's that light standing in there. Then you've got high. It's a little bit higher, not a ton higher, but it's definitely higher. Okay, now in this carrying case, now this is metal. Okay, these are all metal. This whole thing is this is plastic inside here, and this metal inserts in here, and these actually stick. I mean, look at that. They stay right in there. Okay, you've got all kinds of small tools, screwdrivers like the Phillips. You got really tiny. You can't see it in the camera really, but it's small, great for you know, doing watches and small stuff. We're gonna try it out right now. Let's see how it works. But I mean, you can work on all kinds of stuff, like tape measures, anything with small little screws in it, you know, like this little toy here. You've got this toy here that's got lots of little tiny screws in it. You've got actually a keyboard here that you've got little screws that you can take out and tinker with. You've got computers that have a really small little screws, especially on their panel boards, and all kinds of stuff you can take out. Okay, so I went and picked this camera. This is magnetic. It's not going to come out, right? Well, it is when you pull it, but you stick that baby on there like that and push reverse, and off it comes. Right? Look at that. It's even magnetic when you pull the screw out. And you throw it back in there. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you're liking my video. The product link is in the description. You can go down there and pop that into your browser and have a peek at it.